way to see the snow. Left, it is 8:10 in the morning on a Wednesday. Going to the Matroosberg to hopefully see some falling snow on the mountain. There's reportedly no snow on the ground by the entrance. We have to go to the top, 4x4s only. Power pack with some stuff, warm jackets, bought the woman alarm. See that?
Later.
We're setting off. Here we go. Up the mountain. Fix that noise. There you go. Hopefully we can still in frame. I'm wondering if I should just drop down to low range now. Alright, you ready? Have you got the hammer to break the window in case we roll over into the snow and crash down?
I'll just kick it with my boot.
Have you ever tried to kick the window? Quite a few people on top, according to the book she had, or the paper she had. Sorry, I'm just keeping it climbing. Trick is to keep the power going. As soon as you have to stop, you will split. Careful, there's ruts and dips in.
I think it was easier the last time when the snow filling up the holes.
What gear am I in?
I don't know, the wrong one?
Go on your thing. Say again?
Slipping his help.
What am I doing? You're not talking.
Just come
There
straight.
you go.
Straight. And turn.
And now?
Okay.
So the wrong shoes then.
So, it's very slippery.
I'm hanging to the right, am I?
Hold on. Yeah, right. Keep as far right as you can.
What's in front of my wheels at the moment?
Nothing. Okay, go, you're fine, you're right.
wheels is lifting at the back and I'm losing traction.
Turn right immediately now. Here you go. You mustn't stop. Turn
You're the worst spot in the world.
and then turn. Your front right is losing traction. Turn right.
I'm doing it.
Okay, alright. Just go, don't worry about me.
Where are you?
I'm coming.
I'll stop on a flat section.
Okay.
Where are you?
Yes.
What? What are you doing?
Jy het so mooi loop.
Okay, what am I doing? My spot is gone.
It's the altitude thing.
Must be.
Yes.
The problem is not that, it's the rocks that jut out that you can't
Yeah.
see. Oh, you're trying to put the safety belt on. It just keeps on climbing. Oh, that sounded expensive.
Yeah. I'm sure that.
What are you doing, man?
Oh wait. Yeah.
Are we?
I don't think you could go past this. Seeing that everybody's perked. Al die groot maniere.
All the barkies.
Just make case for these people. Maybe just go that way.
Is it open further or is it blocked?
No, we're just waiting for the guy to tell us.
Oh,
if we
okay.
can go further or
Well,
not.
Go
I'll
back.
go back a bit, sorry.
Yeah. This was not here.
See a bloody thing.
But apparently it's more difficult this way than you've just done.
Yes.
Have you done before?
3 times, yeah.
Oh, okay. I shut myself.
I know there's a few like really steep and really slippery bits,
Yeah.
but it's not that hard.
My first time, so yeah.
Okay. All right. I can't see a thing behind me. Wait. What the hell was that?
Okay, I don't know. Let me get out and then tell you where to go.
Okay, what's happened is we're got up to the highest point we can. We're waiting to see if we can go a little bit further. There's a whole group of guys here, but they're going to tell us whether we can go further. What are you doing?
Waiting for you.
Huh?
Waiting for you.
Trying not to fall on my ass.
Walk on the white bit.
I don't know which is better.
The white bit's less slippery.
Who's going to tell us whether we can go further? Because it looks pretty open to me. Should we just go?
I'm happy to stay here. To be honest.